What are the similarities and the differences between electroplating and electrorefining? They are both electrolytic process. Let us see the experimental setup and its applications and what are the factors affecting the electroplating. Okay, let us now see the definition of electroplating. What is electroplating? It uses electrolysis to electrodeposit or coat a solid object with a thin layer of other metal. It is nothing but coating a metal over another metal. Okay. Why do we do electroplating? The purpose is to protect the object, the metal, highly reactive metal from corrosion or to change its surface properties, to improve its surface properties. Okay. Now let us define what is refining. It is also an electrolysis process, but it is used to purify or refine the impure metal in an electrolytic cell called electrorefining. Okay, for electrolysis process we need two electrodes and we need, as you see, we need two electrodes, cathode, anode and electrolytic solution. So in electroplating, the metal article or metal object to be electroplated acts as the cathode. What is anode? The other metal which has to be deposited. The metal that has to be deposited acts as the anode, or the anode may be inert metal consisting of electrolytic solution, copper sulfate solution for copper deposition, copper electroplating, nickel sulfate solution for nickel electroplating. Okay. In electrorefining, what is cathode? It is the purified metal strip. You see, it is the purified metal strip is the cathode. What is anode? Metal, impure metal rod is taken as the anode. Okay, anode mud is formed at the bottom of the anode. Used for protection of reactive metal surface from reaction with the atmosphere, to prevent atmospheric reaction of reactive metals and also to improve its appearance, for example copper plating, silver plating, chrome plating, etc. It is used electrorefining, it is used in purification of metals from its ore, for example copper, silver, gold, nickel, electrorefining. Okay, now let us see the electrode reactions. In electroplating, on passing electric current through the electrolytic cell, the metal from the anode, is oxidized, or metal ions present in the electrolyte deposited on the cathode, deposited on the material to be coated. At anode, metal is oxidized. At anode, oxidation takes place. So the metal is oxidized and at cathode the metal is reduced, okay, to give electroplating. In electrorefining also the same reaction is occurring, that is, on passing current the impure metal from the anode is oxidized and dissolved, deposited on the cathode. Okay, the same reactions occur in both the process. In electrorefining, anode mud is deposited just below the anode. Okay, this is the experimental setup for electroplating. Okay, it has two electrodes, cathode, the material on which copper is electroplated. Okay, anode, anode is nothing but copper plate, and the electrolytic solution is copper sulfate. If you use inert electrode, the electrolyte is constantly renewed, okay, so that copper ion will be present for electrode deposition. Okay, what are the factors that influence the electroplating? Current density, current density, okay, and then concentration of the electrolyte. If current density is high, concentration of the electrolyte is high, then there will be, the deposition will be more fast, okay, and the quality of the electroplating also varies with these factors. And nature of the base metal, temperature also affects electroplating, because temperature, increase in temperature increases the mobility of the ion, it causes and enhances the rate of electrodeposition. Nature of the electrolyte and presence of other colloidal material matter in the electrolytic solution. What are the applications of electroplating? Electroplating is mainly used for decoration purpose, to improve aesthetic qualities. Gold, silver plating, coating on jewelry made of inferior metals such as plastic. They even coat on plastics also. For repair or build up thickness on undersized parts, or welding of broken parts of machinery. For protection and corrosion protection, example, chrome plating metal parts in automobiles to enhance corrosion resistance. These are the important applications of chrome plate, electroplating. Thank you for watching. Please share and subscribe. Thank you again.